third chapter of physical education. The topic is wellness. Day before yesterday, we have discussed about physical fitness. Physical fitness is related. Physical fitness is related only internal external part of the body related to sense organ. But our wellness is related to all dimension of physical health, like mental health, emotional health, spiritual health. If you have completed all the dimension of health, you will success to your life wellness. First, we will discuss meaning of wellness. Wellness is generally used to mean a healthy balance of mind, body, and spirit that result in overall feeling of well-being. If you are completed your all health, it means you are a active person of the society, or you are covering your country, your society, your family very well. Now the importance of wellness. A well person is satisfied in his work, is spiritually fulfilled, enjoy resultant, is positive emotion, mental outlook. अगर आप वेल सोसाइटी पर्सन हैं तो आप इमोशनली, फिजिकली, मेंटली जो नेशन का सर्विस करेंगे, सोसाइटी का जो सर्विस करेंगे, वो समाज और अपने देश के लिए हितकारी होगा. तो a well person is physically fit, emotionally fit, spiritually fit, then they will serve our country or our family or our society smoothly. Now, next point is component of wellness. First component of wellness is physical wellness. First, it is your duty. You will maintain your body with the help of daily routine exercise, yoga, and other activities. Now, second wellness is emotional wellness. Emotional wellness is very important for your working and job clarity, because emotion is very important for everyone after the age of 20. In adolescence age, emotion is very effective. So pay attention on emotional wellness. Emotional wellness is very important for your life. Like as you have seen a different accident in your society, like as Indore Patna accident, you have seen near our city. So emotion is very important. If you will out of control, they will not clear your emotion. Now intellectual wellness. Intellectual wellness is simply related to way of talking. Your way of talking is easy or comfortable, then you will survive your society or your country by intellectual wellness. I want to say one quotation about intellectual wellness. विज्ञान का मानना है कि जीभ पर लगी चोट अपने आप ठीक हो जाती है. विज्ञान का मानना है कि जीभ पर लगी चोट अपने आप ठीक हो जाती है, पर ज्ञान ये कहता है कि जीभ से लगी चोट कभी ठीक नहीं होती. तो पे अटेंशन ऑन योर intellectual wellness, speak politely. Now next point is environmental wellness. Environmental wellness is also necessary for our wellness. For example, you have seen a lot of critical disaster in our society: flood, earthquake, caste system discrimination, religious discrimination. Our environment is spoiled, or we will suffer. We cannot serve better for our nation, country, family, or society. Now, spiritual wellness. Spiritual wellness is also very important for you. You know very well, God is Almighty. God is powerful in the world. So, pay attention on your spiritual health. When you will work, you will pay attention. God is watching you. God is watching you every time. So you will maintain your spiritual health. जब आप ऐसा सोचेंगे कि गॉड हमें हर समय हर टाइम वाच कर रहा है, तो आप अपनी फ्यूचर हेल्थ को मेंटेन करेंगे और जिस व्यक्ति की फ्यूचर हेल्थ मेंटेन होगी वो व्यक्ति गुनाह से बचेगा। नाउ लास्ट है न्यूट्रिशन है बैलेंस। आप बैलेंस डाइट लीजिए, प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन लीजिए, आपका जो है न्यूट्रिशन बैलेंस हेल्दी रहेगा। According to my view, I want to say that during COVID-19, I have feel one wellness is also very important. The wellness is financial wellness. Financial wellness. During epidemic diseases, I have feel financial wellness is also very necessary for our wellness, for our family, for our society, for our country. If you are failed, then you cannot serve better for anyone. Now at last I want to say a visit of 10 world. If you are able to complete the meaning of the 10 visit, then you are the better person of the society. Your lifestyle is very fine, very nice. You are doing well for your country, for your family, for your society. Now the digits are 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We will start in descending order. If you are taking 9 glass of water every day, you are physically fit person, your lifestyle is well, you are doing well for your society. 8 hours sleeping. If you are taking 8 hours sleeping every day, you are doing well for your society and ourselves. Now 7, you will maintain 7 journey of your health or your family. अगर आप 7 जर्नी लाइफ में करते हैं तो आप समाज के सक्सेसफुल कैंडिडेट हैं। आप जो है 4 जर्नी और पेरेंट्स के लिए और 3 जर्नी आपकी पर्सनल। नाउ सेट आपकी जॉब कम से कम इस तरह की हो कि 6 डिजिट की इनकम हो, आप समाज के कामयाब पर्सन हैं। आपको जॉब ऐसी हो 5 आवर्स आपको ड्यूटी करना पड़े। नाउ 4 व्हीलर आपके दरवाजे पर खड़ा हो, 3 रूम का आपका फ्लैट हो, 2 स्मार्ट सिटी हो आपके पास और एक बेहतरीन लाइफ पार्टनर हो, तब जाकर के आपकी लाइफ 0% टेंशन पे गुजरेगी। नाउ पे अटेंशन वन अगेन, 9 ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, 8 आवर्स स्लीपिंग, 7 जर्नी, 4 फॉर योर फादर, 4 धाम अपने माता पिता को घुमाइए और 3 जर्नी अपनी लाइफ के लिए सेव करिए। नाउ 6 डिजिट की इनकम हो, 5 आवर्स की जॉब हो, 4 व्हीलर हो, 3 रूम का फ्लैट्स हो और 2 स्मार्ट से किड हो, 1 ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ पार्टनर हो, तब आपकी लाइफ 0% टेंशन। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल डिस्कस नेक्स्ट लेक्चर।